Brother, I've been hitting everybody with the...
Look at you. It's not about me. Thank you, baby.
Yeah, brother, you know I don't even play like that, brother. Feel me, brother? Regular.
Respectable.
Alright, man.
Let me see my knees.
You can't break bread with the homie back, nigga.
I'm about to go to my sauce right now.
That's what I really
Here's
see,
my
man.
knees. Here's my knees.
You always eating. Bitch, you always, your mama always sucking dick. Oh, that's why they kicked me off live the first time. Let me stop talking crazy. On bloods, because they just let me come back on live, I swear to God. Bro, send me that, bro.
See the one to be rolling over like that? That's your knees? No, that's not. That's
Where that chicken go, bro? Come on, stop playing like that, bro.
That was good.
Bro taking his homie's food. Right. This shit good as fuck, too. You see? You see? Tell me when we on. I done clocked it for the wrong shift. Me cutting off eating chicken tenders with the buffs on. Boy shit. Brother. You just got me looking hella dumb right now on the live, brother. Look what is on top of the straw, brother. Ah! Bro, look what he did me, bro. Just finna look hella dumb right now. It's good. I'm a real nigga. Hey, Hot Park Low. He weird. He weird. Man. Come on, I don't know who you talking to. Hey, I'm in the San Diego Mall, nigga. Come pull up. You still mad at me? Is you that bitch that said she wanted to wrap her legs around my face like a ski mask? Because if you is the bitch that said that, bitch, I don't know why you asking me if I'm still mad. It's forever up, bitch. I'm trying to smoke something. You damn near a sucker. You always lie. You always being a bitch.
You right here. Hey, don't eat, man.
But I don't eat packed pickles. I'm gonna just take them off.
Pickles?
Yeah, I don't. Never mind.
No, we good.
I was gonna say some glaze.
I do. Right now, we got the.
Bitch, why y'all laughing? What I do?
Donnie.
Go right to the